sound is actually invisible waves moving through the air. When something vibrates, it creates tiny waves that bounce around until they hit your ear. These sound waves are always traveling all around, even right now. The speed of sound is crazy fast, about 767 miles per hour in air. And that's way faster than a car, but way slower than light. Here's something wild. Sound needs something to travel through. It zooms through air, bounces through water, and even vibrates through solid walls. But in outer space, there's nothing for sound to travel through, so space is completely silent. Astronauts can only talk to each other through radios because sound can't exist in a vacuum. Thunder and lightning happen at the exact same time, but you always see lightning first. That's because light travels incredibly fast, almost 1,000,000 times faster than sound. When you see lightning, sound is still catching up. Count the seconds between the flash and the boom, then divide by 5. That's roughly how many miles away the lightning struck. Echoes are sound waves bouncing back at you. When you shout in a canyon or tunnel, your voice bounces off the walls and comes back to your ears. That's why you hear yourself again. Some sounds bounce better than others. Hard surfaces like rock and tile make great echoes, but soft things like pillows and blankets absorb sound and stop echoes from forming. The volume of a sound depends on how big the sound waves are. A tiny whisper has tiny waves that carry very little energy. But when you scream or use a speaker, the sound waves are huge and pack way more power. Some sounds are so loud they can actually damage your ears, which is why you should never put earbuds in too loud. Dogs and bats hear sounds that humans can't. Their ears can detect much higher frequency sound waves that we're just deaf to. Bats use something called echolocation. They make tiny squeaky sounds that bounce off insects, helping them hunt in complete darkness. Dogs hear frequencies 4 times higher than humans can, which is why they react to whistles you can't even hear. Thanks for watching! If you learned something amazing today, smash that subscribe button and drop a comment below. What fact blew your mind the most? See you in the next Wonder Story!